The next one important topic, it is related with the PN junction diode. We know that in the PN junction diode, it is moderately doped one. So we can using as usual in a forward bias as well as in the reverse bias. But in the reverse bias, we focus one point, that is breakdown voltage. Say for example, that breakdown voltage maybe 9 voltage. Okay, for example, 9 voltage, 9 voltage is the breakdown voltage was in what is that PN junction diode. But I need only 6.2. For example, 6.2 voltage I need as a breakdown voltage. So we should reduce that breakdown voltage. Then what we'll do? We should increasing the doping level. Okay. So now we are going to discuss one diode, that is some special purpose of PN junction diode. There is one of the special purpose of PN junction diode, that is Zener diode. So now we are going to discuss about the Zener diode. So mainly the Zener diode heavily doped with impurity. So when the doping level is increasing, that barrier, that depletion region is reducing. Depletion region. The depletion region is reducing. When the depletion region is reducing, that breakdown voltage also is reducing. So while that doping level increasing, depletion region is reducing. Depletion region, you know that there is a breakdown voltage or the barrier voltage. So if the barrier voltage reducing means we can get some sharp amount of value. Okay, so we can get the cutoff potential which is very sharp value. So for that purpose only we are using that Zener diode. So whatever that input is, whatever different input to the Zener diode, we can get only the sharp out property. I can explain by using the Zener diode. So before that, you should know that Zener diode symbol. We know that normal diode, this normal diode symbol, P region in N region. So this is junction diode. Okay, but it is like just you see that bar. Okay, like a Z symbol. Okay, so please listen, like a Z symbol. Okay, now it is converted as a Zener diode. This is the symbol. Okay, then so it's a symbol for Zener diode. Okay, now next we see that there is VA characteristics. VA characteristics of Zener diode. Okay, listen students, one more important point. If you focus in the depletion region, okay, here that nearly 3 into 10 power 7 volt per meter. So this much level that electric field is increasing. Internally, that this much level electric field is increasing. Due to this much electric field, then more amount of electrons and holes per value will be increasing. It will be generated. So we can get the large amount of current in that output. Okay, so this value is important. So see that the VA characteristics of Zener diode. So now we know that VI characteristics diagram generally. This is voltage for forward bias. Here the current for forward bias. Here voltage for reverse bias. Then here the current for reverse bias. So if you focus in that forward bias curve, generally we can get like this. So this is known as like a PN junction diode curve only. So this curve is suitable for PN junction diode or Zener diode. The both will be the same. So both naturally will be same in the forward bias. So we are specially using for only in the reverse bias condition. So only we can say in the Zener diode the operating voltage in reverse bias only. So the main purpose we are using only in reverse bias, not in forward bias. Now in the forward bias it is acting as normal junction diode only. Okay. So in that reverse bias, when the reverse bias current is increased, voltage is increasing. Okay, the reverse current almost constant. It is like that, almost constant. Okay. Then after reaching some critical voltage, that is, you know that this voltage, you know, that is saturation voltage. Okay, I mentioned here. You know that it's a breakdown voltage, saturation voltage or breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage. So you remember this word. This is from PN junction. We called as that is breakdown voltage. After reaching that breakdown voltage, the current become sharply increasing. A large amount of current is increasing. This name of the current we known as that is Zener current. Zener current. This breakdown voltage is called here Zener breakdown voltage, or we called as Zener voltage, that is represented by Vz. Okay. So maximum this Zener diode that heavily doped operating in reverse bias, then we can get what is that Zener voltage or breakdown voltage is very low level comparing with the PN junction diode. Okay, then this Zener diode in that forward bias it is acting as simply what is it like a normal diode alone. Okay, so that's an important point about this. So please focus this diagram also. Basically it is like a PN junction diode. One small little alteration. That alteration is what? That is heavily doping with the diode. Okay. Thank you.